Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new clearance, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Up are these dresses from Scoop. They have the thin strap, empire waist, long length with the pockets, squared in the back, in the black, also in that pink, and they're $21, regularly $28. Devil Wears Prada jackets now. We saw the blue dresses. It's cute to wear over it. Has the smaller collar, lapel, oversized fit, and on sale for $18.10. No dress from Scoop. This one has that V-neck line, cap sleeve, longer length, same fit through the back. We saw this print in a top and on sale for $14.98. Cute, the new linen pieces from Scoop. So they have a thin strap, square neckline, full button. These are always really popular in the green, also in the ivory with the pinstripe. That we saw the blazer that matches back. So they have the green blazer, also a navy blazer, and then they have a pleated short. It's a Bermuda side button zip with the belt loops. In the pinstripe, also in the green, and then they have a pant in the green. Pleated, barrel leg, side pocket. These look pretty wide at the bottom. Even another barrel leg with the trouser pockets in the back. Dress from Scoop. So this one has the collar, the crochet, baby doll fit, and oh wait, it's a romper. In this linen fuchsia, also sale for $13.46. Cute are these new top and skirt sets from Scoop. So these have the lace trim, squared neckline, peplum, squared in the back, and the fuchsia also comes in, I think, black, and then to match the tiered skirts. They're really oversized, and they're just lined, so there's no shorts. From the Devil Wears Prada line, this little tank dress has the thicker strap, Scoop neckline, tiers. Also has this racer back detail. I think these are $25. New embroidered sweater from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline, the little puff sleeve, all that embroidering with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. How pretty. And on sale for $18. Right next to it, also new from Free Assembly. This one has the little cardigan, buttons, puff sleeve, textured with the ribbed bottom, and the ivory also comes in the navy. And they are on sale for $5.60. Jackets from Scoop. So these have that mock neck, the tortoise buttons, that gather detail, little puff sleeve, gathering on the wrist. How adorable is this jacket? Full functioning buttons, side pocket, the little pleating in the back. So it comes in the twill, ivory, and then also in the denim. Sale as low as $25.20. They also have in that sweater material these square neck tanks. So ribbed and stretchy in the black, and then also in the ivory. New top from Scoop. This one has the thin strap, this lace trim, flowy fit with the racer back in the light blue. And they are going to be on sale for $12.86. Also new pull-on boxer shorts from Free Assembly. These have the elastic waistband, that little ruffled trim. How cute. And these on sale for $5. Also seeing a new color in these eyelet pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that true jogger bottom in the green, also in the blue. And the bottoms are going to be on sale for $20.16. Also in that same color, they have this new rib tank. It has that lace trim, fitted through the body, same fit through the back, on sale for $12.60. First up, we have some sneak peek dresses from Free Assembly. They have that high neckline, sleeveless, chambray look material. It's actually like a linen texture with the drop tier, same fit through the back, on sale for $27. Also have the new slim fit cardigans. They have that high neckline. You can't go wrong with these. I think I bought it last year. I go for it all the time, even with my other outfits. So they have white, navy, pink, and red this year, and on sale for as low as $11.88. Also comes in the blue and pink stripe, and they are going to be on sale for $18. So jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson. This has the thicker strap, that smocking flowy leg, same fit through the back. Comes in that pink and white bandana, also this multicolor, on sale for as low as $15. Cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline. The puff sleeve has that open knit material, really soft, full functioning buttons with the same fit through the back, and they're on sale for $22.50. The shorts we saw, they match back to these tops from Free Assembly. So they have the smaller collar, full button, the little button detail on the wrist, seam in the back. We saw the shorts that match back to that top, and then they have this new red, white, and blue short elastic waistband with that same kind of ruffled trim. I have a new denim jacket from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, full button, the two flat pockets, button on the wrist with the seam in the back, and they are going to be sale for $24. Also new sweater from Free Assembly. So this has the square neckline, flutter sleeve. It's a pointel open knit with the tie in the back. Comes in the navy. They also have a green, on sale for $18. Two are these new tops from Scoop. I love that pink color. It has the flutter sleeve, square neckline, the little lace trim, seam through the back, and the pink also comes in the white. New flutter sleeve tops from Free Assembly. They have that elastic fit and flare with the peplum, smocking in the back, and the pink also comes in the chambray, and they're on sale for $18. Also new from Jessica Simpson are these little grommet shorts. So it has the bandana belt, the raw hem, seam fit through the back. That belt is removable. Shorts are $28.50. First is this new trench from the Scoop Devil Wears Prada line. Has the oversized collar, lapel, the button detail on the wrist, belted, the same fit through the sale for $13.36. And also sneak peek tank from Scoop. This has the thick strap, square neckline, that crochet. It is lined in the ivory. Also comes in black. On sale for $16.50. So new from Free Assembly are these cardigans. These have the scallop trim in the light blue color, and these are going to be on sale for $13.40. My jumpsuit, I shared this in the haul. These are on major sale. I don't know if they still are, but it has the thin strap, V neckline, elastic. I got a size small, and I think they were regular like $35, but they're on major sale. Top that matches back to those barrel pants. So it has an adjustable strap, that lace trim. It looks like it has that asymmetrical bottom, comes up and then longer on sale for $16.50. Dress. Scoop has that plunging neckline, longer length, same V through the back. It's really nice and pleated at the bottom. On sale for $27. Have a new color in the Scoop Scuba sweatpants. These have an elastic waistband, jogger, that barrel leg, gray, the lavender. Oh, they have pockets on the back too. That's new. New color in this dress from Free Assembly. So we saw the yellow. Now they have it in the pink. It has the ruching at the top. Fit and flare midi length. Same fit through the back. And they're on sale for $28.50. Online only Free Assembly dress. It has the sweater on top. The peplum skirt. Same fit through the back. On sale for $8.30. Snake skin print. These are Bermuda shorts. Oops. So they have the button, zip, the pleating, relaxed fit. Why is this moving? New from Free Assembly are these shorts. So these have that pull-on waistband drawstring. It's a twill look material. Seam fit through the back. This print is very Farm Rio with the bananas. And then they also have the little pineapples. Those are embroidered on there. Ruffled tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, that ruffled poplin, stretchy through the body, seam fit through the back. In the navy, also comes in white, and they are on sale for $18. New denim top from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, sleeveless, boxy fit. And color in the free assembly, this is the tank. So now they have this greeny brown color, high neckline, sleeveless. That's what it looks like. So they have this new color. There's black. I think that's also new. The pink and the navy stripe, they are $8. The seam through the back. And that matches back to this top. This one has the thin straps, the little ruffles, seam fit through the back. Pineapple dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker straps, this little ruche detailing smocking, fit and flare, seam fit through the back. In the pink pineapple, also comes in the white and yellow. And they're going to be on sale for $22.50. New smock dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the high neckline smocking with the fit and flare, little squared back with the tie detail. And they're going to be sale for $22.50. New flamingo dress. Oh, this is the green dress. So that's what it looks like. It has embroidered flamingos. A little tie back. So comes in, I know it's a different one. We saw this before. But I'm seeing a new dress. The little swans. Or like flamingos. I think they're flamingos, the pink. But they have the V neckline, elastic under the bust, fit and flare. On sale for $27. Pleated top from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little tie detail, flowy through the front and the back, and they're on sale for $18. Blue floral dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little twist detail, seaming, fit and flares in the poplin material. Has the zipper and the smocking in the back, and they're on sale for $24. I also found this at Devil Wears Prada. It looks like it's inside out. It's a skirt with the lace. Pull-on from Scoop. Smock tank from Scoop. This one has the thin straps. This eyelet trim has the gold foiling, smocking through the waist, and then the seam fit through the back. And these are going to be sale for $16.50. So these new flutter sleeve dresses from Free Assembly, they have this squared neckline flutter sleeve, that seam detail under the bust, fit and flare, and then the tie detail in the back with the smocking. Comes in this multicolor print, also in the blue and white stripe. On sale for $24. Their Farm Rio, look for less. This one has the thin straps, the little tie detail, baby doll fit with the little papayas. And then the seam fit through the back. It was this embroidered flamingo dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin straps, the gathering under the bust, fit and then flares out. Poplin material with a little tie. No chiffon tank from Scoop. This one has the thin straps, the plunging neckline ruffles, squared on the back. In the pink, also comes in the floral. So new from Free Assembly is this thin strap dress, an adjustable V neckline, elastic little drawstring under the bust with the tiers, seam fit through the back in the green and white. Also comes in the blue stripe, and the dress is sale for $21. New tier dress from Scoop. This has the thin strap, square neckline, the Henley buttons, pleating with the eyelet trim, and then a flowy skirt. Seam fit through the back in the white with the cream lace, and then also this purple with the white. A new dress from Scoop. This one has the plunging neckline, puff sleeve, lightweight material, smocking under the bust. It looks like it's a shorter length with the seam fit through the back. In the black, also comes in purple. It's that same kind of purple color. And they're $34. First up are these new vests from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, sleeveless, relaxed fit with the rib bottom, seam fit through the back in the pink with the pineapple. They also have green with the bananas, and they are going to be $20. Seersucker blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, the tortoise wrist, the completely lined, seam through the back, and that one is $40. So new from Free Assembly are these smock tanks. So these have the thicker straps, smocking with the peplum and the poplin material in the orange and pink stripe. Also the gray and white tops are $22, and then the skirts to match have that smocking, the poplin, fit and flare in both of those prints and colors, and they're also $32. These new tops from Free Assembly, they have the thin strap, the scallop embroidered detailing, the little peplum squared in the back. Tops are $22, and then to match they have these skirts. These are pull-on with the drawstring, the same embroidered trim, and then the same fit through the back. And skirts are $34. Also new from Free Assembly are these fit and flare skirts. So these have an elastic waistband. How Farm Rio is this? Nice like linen kind of poplin feel. So they have the banana print and then also this pink pineapple. And the skirts are going on sale for $16. Also new matching pant and shirt sets from Free Assembly. Pants have an elastic waistband with the drawstring side pocket, flowy leg, seam fit through the back with the one pocket, and then the tops to match. They have the collar lapel button with the drawstring, the little lower pocket button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. So new from Free Assembly are these little pineapple beaded cardigans. They have that crew neckline, the little shoulder detail, ribbed at the sleeve, also at the bottom. Oh, pretty. Seam fit through the back. And on sale for $22.50. So new from Free Assembly are these beaded cardigans. So these have the little, they look like flamingos, but they're, I think it's white with red. They have the crew neckline, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Same style as the pineapples, and they are going. Also new denim shorts from Free Assembly. They have the button, two front pockets. It's a lighter weight material. That's what they look like up close. But they have the look of denim, and then the elastic through the back. On sale for $16.50. And then pockets on the back. No Devil Wears Prada dresses. These have the high neckline, longer sleeve poplin fit and flare skirt, zipper in the back, and on sale for $15. We have the Devil Wears Prada collab for Scoop with the heels. These have that pointed toe, stiletto with the sling bag, on sale for $15.75. Color in these footbed sandals from Free Assembly. They have that round toe, the thong style with this sling back. They sell for $13.61. So new color in these slides from Scoop. These have the square toe or like the little fish scales. On sale for $11.78. Also new little rope sandals from Free Assembly. They have that knotted detail with this sling back. On sale for $22.80. Also from that collection, these strappy heels. These have the round toe, that crisscross ankle strap with the sale for $15.75. Color in the flats from Scoop. So these have that round toe, the little opening. We saw them in the red. These are $40. On sale for $15.89. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.